Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OnePassword on iPhone for autofill, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable OnePassword for autofill on your iPhone, start by ensuring you have the OnePassword app installed. Open the App Store and search for OnePassword if you haven't installed it yet. Once downloaded, open the OnePassword app and sign in to your account. Next, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Passwords. Tap on Autofill Passwords. You will see a list of password managers. Toggle on the switch next to OnePassword. You may need to confirm your choice by tapping Allow. Now, return to the OnePassword app. In the app, add any necessary login credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're ready, open Safari or any app where you need to log in. Tap on the username or password field. A prompt should appear, showing your OnePassword logins. Select the correct login information. If prompted, use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your master password to access your vault. Your username and password will autofill automatically. Make sure to review the information for accuracy before logging in. Repeat this process for any other apps or websites as needed. That's all you need to do to enable OnePassword for autofill on your iPhone. Enjoy the convenience and security of managing your passwords with OnePassword. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.